People still spend hours writing cold emails by hand in 2025 when AI can do it better in seconds. If you know how to package that into a service, you've got a potential six-figure business in a box. I'll break down exactly how in this video. I've also created and linked a free cheat sheet that you can plug and play in the description. If you want to have your business running by this time tomorrow for free, click it, open it up, and come back to these steps. Don't just watch. Take action to run a successful business you can be proud of. Step 1. Set up Go High Level. The first thing you need to get right is your Go High Level account. This is the engine that makes everything run. Now, once you're in, you have to connect the essentials. For outreach, the essentials are your domain, your email connection, your phone number, and your calendar. Start with your domain. This is what gives your outreach a professional home. If you're running a brand called Lead Flow Agency, you could use something like leadflowagency.com. It looks trustworthy, and more importantly, email providers see it as a real business domain, not something shady. Connecting the domain correctly with DNS records and verifying it is what keeps your emails out of the spam folder. Next is your email connection. Go High Level supports Gmail, Outlook, and SMTP services like SendGrid or Zoho. Follow the setup instructions and test. This one step can be the difference between landing in the inbox and being forever lost in the Promotions tab. The third essential is a phone number. Inside Go High Level, you can buy one directly through Twilio. With that number, you can send SMS, drop voicemails, or even trigger calls as part of your workflows. People forget how powerful text messages are. An email might sit unread for days, but a text gets seen almost immediately. The fourth is your calendar. Syncing your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar is key. This way, when someone agrees to a call, they can see your availability in real time. Once these essentials are live, your foundation is solid. Step 2. Capture leads. Leads can come from many places. LinkedIn is an obvious choice, especially if you're targeting consultants, B2B services, or agencies. You can scrape data with tools or manually collect contacts. Facebook ads also work well because you can drive business owners to a form where they submit their details. Some people buy lists from vendors, which can work if the list is clean and legal. If you go that route, test small first because a dirty list can destroy your sender reputation faster than you can say spam filter. Once you've gathered leads, you import them into Go High Level. Tag them by source so you always know where they came from, and add custom fields that matter for personalization, like industry, city, or role. That way, when you write messages, they won't sound like they were blasted to 1,000 strangers. Speaking of which, let's get into the next step. Step 3. Write messages with AI. Writing personalized messages yourself can be incredibly time-consuming. With tools like ChatGPT, you can feed it details about your lead and your offer, and it will produce outreach messages that feel personal. The trick is giving AI enough context. If your lead is a yoga studio owner named Sarah, don't just tell the AI to write a cold email. Tell it you want a friendly tone, mention her studio by name, and include a past result from a similar business. The output could be something like, "Hi Sarah, I noticed you run a yoga studio. We recently worked with another studio in Austin and helped them bring in 47 new members last month. Would you like me to share how we did it?" That's short, direct, and has proof. You should always generate several variations so you can test. One might be more formal, another more casual, and another with a different opening line. The point is, you're not guessing anymore. You have an endless supply of personalized drafts. Use them not just for email, but for SMS messages, LinkedIn outreach, and even voicemail scripts. Step 4. Automate sequences in Go High Level. Now comes the automation, and this is exactly why Go High Level is so key. You don't want to send one message and then manually chase people. That would make this a job instead of a business. Instead, you build workflows. A workflow could start with the AI email, wait 3 days, then send a text if no reply. If still nothing, drop a voicemail that sounds natural. If they click the link but don't book, send a gentle reminder. Every step is set up once and then runs automatically for every new lead you import. The smart part is stacking channels. Some people reply better to emails, others respond instantly to texts. By mixing email, SMS, voicemail, and calls, you multiply your chances. You also look professional because you're not spamming one channel. It feels like a real human follow-up. Step 5. Book appointments. Once your message works and the lead says yes, they should be able to book straight away. Go High Level's calendar integration means you can send them a link that connects to your availability. They click, pick a time, and it's locked in. To make it even smoother, you can set up AI to generate a confirmation message that says something like, "Thanks for booking, here's the link to join our call," and a reminder that goes out a day before and an hour before. That simple step cuts no-shows dramatically, but not everyone replies to the first message, or even the second. That's where AI-enhanced follow-ups are golden. A soft follow-up might be, "Just checking in to see if you had a chance to think about this. Would Tuesday or Thursday be better for a quick call?" That feels human. It's not pushy, and it invites an easy answer. You can have I generate a bank of these so your follow-ups don't sound robotic. Now, look, I know I just threw a lot at you. Setting up domains, connecting emails, building workflows, writing AI prompts, it's a lot. So here's what I did. I took everything I just showed you and packaged it into a one-click snapshot for Go High Level. It's the exact same workflow I use for my clients. The multi-channel sequence, the AI templates for 5 different industries, even the appointment reminders that cut no-shows by 70%. When you grab Go High Level through my link below, you get this entire system for free. Plus, instead of their normal 14-day trial, you'll get 30 full days to test everything and land your first clients. Just click the link in the description, start your trial, and within 24 hours, you'll have my exact AI cold outreach machine running in your account. You can literally start reaching out to prospects tomorrow, instead of spending weeks figuring this out yourself. The link's down below. Let's get your first client booked this week. Step 6. Monetize. The first monetization model is running outreach as a service. This means you handle the whole outreach for local businesses or agencies. You manage their leads, their messages, and their workflows. They just pay you a monthly fee. Depending on the niche and scope, this can be anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a month. Gyms, dentists, real estate agents, salons, consultants, they all need leads. Most of them don't want to learn the tech themselves. They'd rather pay you. The second model is a done-for-you setup. Here, you don't manage it monthly. You set up the whole Go High Level account, connect the domain, email, Twilio number, calendar, and load in AI scripts. You hand it over as a ready-to-use machine. For that, you can charge a one-time fee, usually between $997 and $2,997, depending on how advanced you make it. The third model is white label SaaS. Go High Level lets you rebrand the platform completely. You can call it whatever you want, like AI Outreach Pro. Then, you sell it as your own software and charge a subscription, usually between $97 and $297 per month. That way, you get recurring revenue without managing every client's campaigns yourself. Which of these monetization methods will you try out first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.